So we're on day 9, maybe 10 of the nasturtium. So you can see that not all of them have shushed yet, but these ones have, and they've come up even with all that weight on. So I'm going to water those ones now and leave them out and give them time to do their thing. That's not, I could leave them a bit longer probably for these ones, but I'm just going to leave them now for the sake of this tutorial. And come back in a few days. As I said, these can take up to a month to grow, so they're doing all right. You can start seeing the little leaves here coming through. So this is perfectly normal.